How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make 3D blocks in Geometry Dash like this one. Basically, in order to do this, you just need to get creative. So let's say that on your level, there's going to be the generic blocks. So to make things easier, I'm just going to use the simplest blocks on the level editor right here, which is going to be the normal block on Geometry Dash, which is going to be this one. So let's place one in this specific area. And then from here, let's add some additional blocks like this one, and basically we will get this effect. Now to make this a 3D, you want to spend most of your time onto the layout option or onto the lines option, and basically you can just start looking for the 3D effects that you're looking for. So in order to build this simply, you can just click on the areas where you want to place them. And for example, with this one, as you can see, it will not match entirely. You can just go ahead and rotate your shapes like this. And for our last option, I'm going to import this, but in some cases it will not actually bind with our 3D design, so you have to even flip that if you want to. So maybe for this one, instead of using a line, you could use something like this specific shape right here, which is going to be this one. So if we rotate this, it will not entirely match with our block. So what you can do is to flip it entirely by clicking on this specific button. And as you can see, it will now align perfectly. Now for the other effect, let's just use the same thing, which is going to be this one. But once again, let's apply the same thing, which is to rotate the shape. And from there, we can keep building on it. So click on edit, rotate your shape, and basically just do the same thing. Now to make things easier, you can of course copy and paste this. Now to show or make your design pop up even better, we can use the other block options right here, which is going to be on the same side. And of course, let's try to put something like a 3D effect, like maybe this one. So in here, you can just use this effects in order to basically enhance your shape. Now, of course, you want to apply the same technique, which is to just flip it until it matches perfectly with your shape. Like maybe this one right here works. So let's click on the edit option, flip it, and then basically let's just do the same thing, which is to apply it right here. Now, of course, there's going to be little tiny spots on the area. Now with this one, you can use the free move option. So for example, let's click on this right here and then click on edit. And of course, let's then move it directly onto this option. You also want to navigate through the rotate to make sure that it perfectly aligns with your model right here. And so basically the only thing left to do is to just apply it and you're good to go. Once again, you can just apply the same technique for your blocks, and from there you will get this amazing 3D effect on your level. Of course, you can even customize this even further if you want to, but to make this video short, let's go ahead and end it with this one. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.